Look at that! Wow! We can already see it's pink!
Ayu, she'll teach you things, she'll play with you, and Gigi loves it too. Yay!
Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? Gigi? We are really and super excited because today we're going to mix colors, and from that combination we will get another color. Isn't that amazing? We have in here yellow, blue, red. Let's see if we can combine these colors so we will have one of these colors. First I will try red with yellow. Let's see. We will have a bit of red. I need just a tiny bit. Let's make a ball, just like that. Red and yellow. Ooh.
Wow!
Are they equal? No, they're not. This is smaller. I'm going to make the yellow one smaller too. Alright, better. And now let's mix these two colors and combine them. And let's see what happens. Red, yellow. Okay. Now we're going to knead it. Exactly.
Wow!
How I do it with the pizza dough.
Uh-oh.
Oh wow! Look at that! Oh, what a transformation!
Amazing!
Oh wow!
Wow! Bingo!
Isn't that amazing? Oh my goodness! Red and yellow gives us orange. Wow! Look at that! Isn't that amazing? Now I have some orange Play-Doh out of red and yellow Play-Doh. Wow! Okay, so
Amazing!
red with yellow will transform into orange. Red plus yellow equals orange. What next? Next one, red and blue. Let's see. A red ball.
Wow!
With the blue ball.
Wow!
Red and blue, and we will combine them just like that. Wow, let's see what happens. Nothing yet, nothing yet. Something is happening. Something is happening. Wow, it's like magic. we will need more red, just a tiny bit, so the color will be more intense.
Amazing!
Wow! We can already see it's turning into purple!
Amazing! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Purple! A dark, beautiful purple. Blue and red goes into purple.
Amazing!
Blue plus red equals purple. Yay! What next? What next? I will try with blue and yellow. Let's make a blue bowl. Blue yellow, blue and yellow. Wow! See what happened.
Amazing!
Oh, magic! I can already see the green. Look at that!
Amazing! Yes!
A nice, beautiful green.
Amazing!
Look at that! Green Play-Doh. So if you only have blue and yellow Play-Doh, you can have some green Play-Doh as well. Isn't that really amazing?
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Wow! So,
Amazing!
blue and yellow goes into green. Blue plus yellow, green equals green. I don't have enough colors.
Oh, no.
What if I combine and mix these ones? I have red, I have white and green. Let's see. What if I will combine red and white? Let's see what happens.
Amazing!
Red and white.
Whoops!
Let's work this magic.
Amazing! Bingo!
Something is happening. something is happening, and I think it will go into pink. My favorite color. Oh my goodness. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Look at that. Red with white will give us pink. Woohoo! Look at that. Amazing. Red with white goes into pink. Wow. What else? Let's see. What if I combine and mix red with green? Let's see what happens. Red with green.
Wow! Yes! Amazing!
Oh wow, look at that. Brown. Now we have some brown Play-Doh as well. Green with red turns into brown. Red and green, brown.
And don't forget, be kind, wash your hands, eat healthy. You are beautiful.